The ballot box for the upcoming presidential election scheduled to be held on July 18 arrived in Shillong on Wednesday. The ballot box was first flown to Guwahati Airport and later was brought to Shillong. Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Kharkongor said that the ballot box and election materials for the ensuing 16th presidential election 2022 have been kept at the strong room of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building, Shillong. After sealing the strong room, F.R. Kharkongor handed over the keys of the strong room to the ARO of Meghalaya Assembly Secretariat. It may be mentioned that most of the political parties and their MLAs in Meghalaya have expressed their support for the NDA candidate Draupadi Murmu, while the TMC is most likely to support opposition candidate Yashwant Sinha.
And their team members, they brought the ballot box from Election Commission of India to the Guwahati, and from Guwahati it has come here, and now the process that is going on is the sealing of the ballot box inside the strong room. So this will be opened only on the day of polling on Monday. So that as we all know that we have 60 members here in this assembly, and one MP will also be voting from here.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad